to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing yoga, but to increase your stretching. So let's get straight into the video. Let's go. So if my bear's being loud, it's just because he's having fun. Really talkative. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do some jumping jacks and then burpees and then some jumps. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Burpees. Some jumps. Make sure you put your heels down when you jump. Okay, now we can start moving on to yoga. Grab your yoga blocks and we're going to start off with lunges. So you're just going to put both yoga blocks on the side of your foot. You can just bounce there for a couple minutes. Now you're going to put your hands up above your head, to the side, down there, and up and down. Then you're going to put your knee back down, point your back toe, stretch your back, bring your yoga block back with you. Put your arms like that, and then feel the stretch right through here. Okay. Let's move on to splits now. So if you're really high up and you're like this, kind of, then if you put it on the high setting, so it's like this, you put it under right where your butt is, and then you just hold it there. And then if you don't feel any stretch right now, then you can try going a little bit lower to right there. And then if you still don't feel the stretch, then lower it right to here and go down. And then if you still don't feel the stretch, go down all the way. So then if you're up high, put it here. If you're a little bit lower than that, put it here. And then if you're lower, then you put it here. Then if you're even lower, you don't even need a yoga block. So you just stretch back. And if you can't feel anything when you're in your split right now, make sure your hips are square. So then by pushing your foot so that it looks straight. So we're going to hold that for 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can go out of your split. And now we're going to move on to the middle. So if you're up high, like that, then you're just going to get on a high stay, and then you're going to slowly lower yourself onto your yoga block. And then if you're even lower than that, then you're going to lower it right here. Put your yoga block like that. Hold it there. And then if you're even lower, put it down like that. If you're even lower, then you don't even need your yoga block. Then just bring it down. And then if you don't feel anything when you're fully down, grab your yoga block again, put your foot on top of your yoga block, and then feel the stretch. And then if you still don't feel it, then you put it on the other side. You put your foot, so then if you just want to make sure both of your feet are aligned with each other, you make sure your yoga blocks are in alignment with each other, because then it makes it so then you can, so that you're even, and then you can just slowly lower down into your middle split. And we're going to hold that for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My bird's being really loud, so don't mind him. Okay, we're gonna move on to the left now. Grab your heels, put them on either side of your foot. Hold it there. Then you're gonna put your arms above your head. Second, down, up, and down. Then same thing on the right. If you're like that, then you put it there. If you're like here, put it there. If you're right here, you put it there. And then you slowly put it down. And hold it there. And if you can't feel the stretch on your left, then you just grab your back leg, pull it towards you like that. Hold it for maybe 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can come out. This is, you can do this. This is optional. So you're gonna put one of your yoga blocks like that, another yoga block like that, and then you're gonna go like this. You're gonna lean back and then onto your yoga blocks, and you'll feel a stretch right in your back. Hold that for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, like and subscribe down below and comment down below if you want me to keep doing stretches with yoga blocks or do dance moves that I can teach you. So I'll see you guys next time.